Everyone that has a heart should be here. Proverbs chapter 4 verse 23, the Bible says, keep the heart with all diligence, because out of it are the issues of life. So what we're going to look at today is how you can keep the heart with all diligence. So the next part says, because out of it are the issues of life. And Leviticus 17:11 says the life of the flesh is in the blood. What the heart pumps is blood. And so the viscosity of the blood, the contents of the blood makes a difference, but also the blood vessels.
Your heart health matters. In this video, discover 3 herbs that not only support your cardiovascular system, but also help lower blood pressure naturally. Learn how these herbs work together to regulate blood pressure and boost your overall wellness. Take a step toward a healthier heart today.
Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a remarkable herb. And cayenne pepper has 3 effects. Cayenne pepper, number 1, thins the blood. Number 2, it is a vasodilator. So I'm teaching you some medical terms here. Does everyone remember what a vasodilator is? It opens the blood vessels. So if the blood vessel's this wide, you take a vasodilator, it'll open it this wide. A vasodilator, vaso meaning vascular, blood system, it opens the blood vessels. So that's number 2, what it does. It's a vasodilator. So that's number 2. And number 3, it strengthens the arterial walls. So if a person has had a build-up in the arteries, if I had build-up in my arteries, I would not have a bypass. What I would do is I would start taking 2 capsules of cayenne pepper 3 times a day. In the book Back to Eden by Jethro Kloss, he devotes half a page to every herb, 10 pages to cayenne pepper. He quotes 2 doctors. One doctor says it's impossible to abuse cayenne pepper. Do you know what that means? You could have a bucket load of cayenne pepper a day and it won't hurt you. But I don't know anyone who's done that. Back to Eden. Back to Eden. It was written in the early 1900s. It's almost called the Bible on herbs. Strengthens the arterial walls. Some people say, but is that safe? Does anyone ever say to their doctor when they're given cholesterol-lowering medication, is that safe? Or when they're given aspirin, is that safe? Do you know they're not? They're not. But remember what the doctor says, it's impossible to abuse cayenne pepper. It might feel like it's burning, but it's tingling. The other doctor said it'll never cause a lesion. You know what that means? It will never damage the lining of your gut. And if you've got a stomach ulcer, it'll even heal that. Yeah?
How many capsules was it again?
2 capsules 3 times a day. Now that's quite a strong dose, but if someone's coming off blood thinning medication, and if anyone's on warfarin, because you know that's what it is, it causes rats to bleed to death, so they don't just give as much to humans. But I've known people that have said they just brush their arm and they bruise. Their blood just comes out of their nose. They're on too much. So that can be stopped immediately. I can't tell you what to do with your medication, but I can tell you what I would do, and I would go on 2 capsules 3 times a day. Remember what the good doctor said, a medical doctor in Jethro Kloss's book, he says, you cannot overdo it. You cannot abuse cayenne pepper. And you watch, if you're taking that much, your digestion will improve, your bowels will become nice and regular.
Cayenne pepper, known for its fiery heat, has been used for centuries as both a spice and a natural remedy. Packed with capsaicin, vitamins, and minerals, this herb offers a wide range of health benefits, particularly for the cardiovascular system. Let's dive deeper into how cayenne pepper can transform your health. 1. Enhances blood flow. Cayenne pepper helps to dilate blood vessels, improving circulation throughout the body. By encouraging better blood flow, it ensures that your organs and tissues receive adequate oxygen and nutrients, boosting overall vitality. 2. Regulates blood pressure. It acts as a natural vasodilator, relaxing and widening blood vessels. This helps to reduce resistance in the arteries, leading to lower blood pressure levels. Consistent use can support balanced blood pressure and reduce the risk of hypertension. 3. Natural blood thinner. Cayenne pepper prevents excessive blood clotting by reducing fibrin levels, a protein that contributes to clot formation. This property lowers the risk of life-threatening conditions such as heart attacks, strokes, and deep vein thrombosis, DVT. 4. Lowers bad cholesterol levels. Studies suggest that cayenne pepper can help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels, while improving HDL, good cholesterol. It prevents the buildup of plaque in the arteries, promoting better heart health and reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. 5. Strengthens the heart muscle. Capsaicin in cayenne pepper enhances the efficiency of the heart by improving its contractile strength. This means the heart pumps blood more effectively, reducing strain on the organ and lowering the risk of heart failure. 6. Combats inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a leading cause of cardiovascular disease. Cayenne pepper's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe inflammation in blood vessels, reducing the risk of complications like arteritis and vascular damage. 7. Antioxidant protection. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and carotenoids, cayenne pepper protects the heart from oxidative stress, which contributes to aging and damage to blood vessels. Cayenne pepper can be used in various ways to boost heart health and overall well-being. Drink it as cayenne tea by mixing 1/4 teaspoon with warm water, honey, and lemon to improve circulation and regulate blood pressure. For convenience, take it in capsule form or as a tincture diluted in water or juice for quick absorption. Incorporate it into your meals by sprinkling it on soups, salads, and vegetables, or use it in homemade spice blends. It can also be applied topically as a capsaicin cream to relieve pain and inflammation. A detox drink with cayenne, lemon juice, and maple syrup is another excellent option for cleansing and rejuvenation.
Garlic is also a blood thinner and vasodilator.
Garlic is a natural vasodilator, meaning it relaxes and widens blood vessels. This improves blood flow and helps lower high blood pressure, reducing the strain on the heart. The sulfur compounds in garlic, particularly allicin, enhance nitric oxide production, which relaxes blood vessel walls, further improving circulation and reducing blood pressure. Garlic has natural antithrombotic properties, which help prevent the formation of blood clots, reducing the risk of strokes and heart attacks. Its potent anti-inflammatory effects reduce inflammation in blood vessels and throughout the body, supporting cardiovascular and overall health. Garlic is rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals, preventing oxidative stress that can damage the heart and other organs. Garlic strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight infections, colds, and other illnesses. The sulfur compounds in garlic help remove heavy metals and toxins from the body, promoting liver health and overall detoxification. Garlic can be used raw, cooked, or in supplement form to maximize its health benefits. Raw garlic is the most potent. Crush or chop a clove and let it sit for 10 minutes to activate its allicin before consuming. Add fresh garlic to salads, dips, and dressings, or include it in soups, stews, and stir-fries for a flavorful boost. For convenience, take garlic supplements or capsules as directed on the label. Use garlic daily for the best results in supporting heart health and overall well-being.
Ginger is also a blood thinner and also a vasodilator. Hippocrates said, let food be your medicine and medicine be your food. How nice when medicine can be our food. I've had some people say to me, I'm spending a fortune on supplements. How nice when our food can be our healers. Ginger can be taken in many ways. My favourite is to grate it and pour boiling water on it and drink it. I love a hot ginger tea. We also put it in some of our juices. If I'm travelling and there's nothing to eat and I see there's a juice bar, I'll get carrot, celery and apple juice with double ginger. Oh, it's very nice.
As a natural vasodilator, ginger relaxes and widens blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure levels. Regular consumption can help maintain balanced blood pressure. By encouraging vasodilation, ginger reduces vascular resistance, easing the workload on the heart. This property makes it especially useful for people with hypertension or poor circulation. Ginger contains salicylates, compounds that act as natural blood thinners, reducing the risk of clots, heart attacks, and strokes. Its rich antioxidant content neutralizes free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, which is a key factor in the development of cardiovascular diseases. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties also help soothe chronic inflammation that can harm the heart. Ginger stimulates blood flow, ensuring oxygen and nutrients are delivered efficiently throughout the body. This improves energy levels and overall cardiovascular function. By boosting metabolism and improving insulin sensitivity, ginger helps maintain a healthy weight and blood sugar levels, key factors in preventing heart disease. Ginger can be used fresh, dried, powdered, or as an extract. Brew a soothing ginger tea by boiling fresh slices in water, or add powdered ginger to smoothies, soups, or baked goods. Use it in cooking to flavor curries, stir-fries, and marinades. You can also consume it as a supplement in capsule form, or make a refreshing detox drink with ginger, lemon, and honey. For a stronger effect, ginger juice mixed with water can be taken daily. Start with small amounts to suit your taste and digestion.